Preventative maintenance. First buy a vehicle, it's probably one of the most important things to keep up from the get-go. It's from small things to oil changes, filters, tire rotation, fluids, brake services are important. And just to maintain it, cheaper on the long run for your tires, your brakes, and all that stuff. But once you skip one, then you fall behind. And once you've fallen behind, people tend to not keep up with it because the bills get bigger and bigger and bigger. So I find it's easier to just start right off the get-go, follow the maintenance that's on your dash. Your car tells you what you need, so all you gotta do is keep it up, and usually you'll be fine. Your brakes will last longer, your tires will last longer, so every car needs maintenance.